In this video, I'm going to show you how to self-host N8N on your computer completely for free. So I'm going to keep it simple and show you the easiest and the fastest way. So the first thing that we're going to do is to download Docker Desktop. And for that, we're going to go to docker.com and download Docker Desktop. So we're going to find the download Docker Desktop and you're going to choose the computer you want. And after you download it, we're going to open Docker Desktop. After you download it and install Docker Desktop and open the app, you're going to see something like this. And down here, we have the terminal and we're going to click on that. If you're new to the Docker Desktop, it might ask you to allow to use terminal. So you're going to allow that. And here we're going to write Docker pull N8N IO/N8N. We're going to hit enter. And now we can see the images for N8N are downloading. After all of them are downloaded, and now we can just leave the terminal and we're going to go to images section and we can see N8N IO/N8N. So that is the image here. Before we run this, we will have to create a volume. And for that, we're going to go to volume section and we're going to create a volume. So we give it a name, for example, N8N volume. After we created our volume and after we name our volume, so we're going to go to images and we're going to run it right here. And it's asking for some customization and we're going to go here. And for the host port, we will write 5678. So N8N runs on port 5678. And we're going to write here. For the host path, we will write the name of our volume that we created. So that was N8N volume. And for the container path, we will write like this. So /home/node/.n8n. We're going to write like this. And we will run it. And we can see the program running. And right here at the bottom, we can see editor now accessible via, we are given with this HTTP. So after we created our admin account, we provided our name, last name, and this kind of things. And we're going to click next. We're just going to quick run this. And also make sure to provide your email here. So you're going to get license key. There are going to be a lot of features here. I already have that, so I'm going to skip. Now let's create a new workflows and we're going to create a workflow and we're going to choose anything and we're going to hit save. And after that, we're going to go back overview. So we can see our workflow. And now let's turn off our Docker desktop. We're going to stop it and we're going to run it again. And we can see localhost 5678. So we're going to go here and we can see our workflow again. So the reason we created a volume is that, for example, we run our container and we did our automations and this kind of things. And we stop it. And we're going to stop it, container. And after we stop it, by default, containers, like everything inside the container will be deleted. So that's why we created a volume to save our data. So if we start again and our data will be saved, all of our automations will be saved. So that's why we created a volume. And let's check if it's working. And we're going to go to here. And voila, you can see the automation that we created. So that's it, guys. Now you are self-hosting N8N on your computer completely for free. So if you have any questions or any issues setting up self-hosting, drop them below. Or if you guys have any video suggestions that you want me to do, you can drop them below. So I will try my best to make a video on them. So that's it for now, guys. I will see you in the next one.